Creating a smart contract is a complex task that requires significant amounts of programming knowledge. If you have little know-how or no knowledge of creating a smart contract, today's Ethereum tutorial will introduce you to a few of the most common smart contract creation tools and walk you through the process of creating your own, so stay tuned. An Ethereum smart contract is a self-operating contract that runs on the Ethereum virtual machine, ETHEREum. It performs actions and stores data without needing a traditional programming language to be written and executed. This enables smart contracts to be highly secure, reliable, and efficient. Just as Richard Quest said, whatever happens to Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies are gaining ground and more respect. Ethereum, for instance, has far more transparency. How soothing. Well, it is time to create your own smart contract. Let's go do it. Ethereum Smart Contract, a step-by-step guide to creating one. Set up an Ethereum node. Any device that runs the Ethereum protocol is referred to as an Ethereum node. Despite the fact that most nodes run on PCs and laptops, mobile development is ongoing. You run a node on the Ethereum blockchain when you connect to the Ethereum protocol. In order to connect to other nodes in the Ethereum network, send transactions, and install smart contracts, we need to run an Ethereum node. Go Ethereum or Geth, C++, and Python are used to create the nodes. Aside from running an Ethereum node, the next step towards creating an Ethereum smart contract is by using Solidity. What is Solidity and how's it executed? Discover that and more in the coming minutes. Creating smart contract with Solidity. Solidity is a new computer language specifically for developing smart contracts that may be customized for a variety of scenarios. However, this would not be possible without the Ethereum network, which the Ethereum virtual machine supports. The implementation of smart contracts, on the other hand, is largely responsible for Ethereum's success. Here's a look at how to create a smart contract on Solidity. Step 1. Using the Remix, you may develop Ethereum smart contracts using Solidity in a browser-based IDE. In addition, the browser-based Remix IDE and Solidity compiler can compile and deploy your contract. Developers may design, debug, deploy, and interact with smart contracts using the Remix IDE intuitive interface. Developers may create and compile their code all in one location with the help of this comprehensive set of tools and libraries. There are a number of other useful features like autocomplete, syntax highlighting, and error detection. The debugger is built in, and there is an environment for testing and deployment to make it easier for developers to use Remix. If you like what you've seen so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and switch on notifications to learn more about cryptocurrency. To get started, visit Remix's website to open the Remix IDE in your browser. By selecting Create New File in Remix's Windows upper left corner, you can now begin creating your smart contract. Step 2. In the Contracts directory, create a file named MyContractSol, which is the Smart Solidity contract file extension. MyContractSol is the name of the file that will hold this contract. Step 3. In MyContractSol file, enter the code SPDX license identifier MIT Pragma Solidity greater than or equal to 0.4.0, less than 0.7.0. Contract my contract. String stored data. Function set. String memory X. Public. Stored data. Function get public view returns. String memory. Return stored data. The SPDX identifier is used to identify the license under which the Solidity file will be shared. SPDX license identifier. Using it is strongly recommended, and if you don't, the compiler will give you an error message. The Pragma line was also utilized. The Pragma line at the start of the Solidity source file is used to set the edition of the compiler used. In order to tell the compiler what version you're working with, the Pragma line is used. A smart contract on Ethereum may be created in this manner. In spite of the fact that it's only a simple smart contract, it's plenty to get you started. Before moving on, what do you call an anesthesiologist who is also a rabbit? An ethereal bunny. Hilarious? Let's keep moving. Step 4. Compile the smart contract. The Compile button on the right side of the screen may be used to generate a new hexadecimal string in the Output tab, as described before. After compiling your smart contract, the Ethereum smart contracts are now ready to be deployed. Let's talk about how to put smart contracts into practice in the coming moments. Deploying the contract in Ethereum. Over here, MetaMask may be used to activate your smart contract on the Ethereum network using the steps below. Incorporate some genuine ethers. Using Remix, you can now start using your smart contract. It's time to validate a smart contract that has been successfully deployed. Click Verify the contract to complete the verification process for your smart contract. EtherScan may be used to scan your smart contract code. Compile your code using the same compiler version as you use for Remix. The drop-down option will have optimization on it. In Remix, pick yes or no if you chose optimization. Otherwise, click no. Click the checkbox to confirm. Your smart contract will be live in a matter of minutes if there are no problems. Using the Remix editor and the Solidity language, we were able to create a basic Ethereum smart contract. User accounts can now engage with your smart contract by submitting transactions that execute the smart contract's declared function. Smart contracts, like bureaucracies, can set rules and have them enforced automatically through programming. Although writing a smart contract on Ethereum may appear simple, you need to ensure that it performs well and has no flaws. Hence, we advocate automating all logic. We hope you got a kick out of watching today's video. There's something magnificent also coming our way. Find out more about the upcoming Metaverse land sales happening this year by watching our next video on upcoming Metaverse land sales that will be huge 2022. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, have fun exploring this tutorial.